take a look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bright. Today I would like to review this portable SSD. So I have this. First of all, this is the hard disk, and if you premium, it should be premium because it's expensive. And then here is a 2 TB. It feels amazing, like such a small device can hold a lot of storage. And yeah, here, take a look. You got warranty card. Then you will have this cable, Type C to Type C, and then they got the USB converter as well. You can just plug it. So and then you can plug here, and you're good to go. So I just want to show a little bit about this, and you can install security for Mac. You can set password, and then here is it was created in 1969, and then it's exFAT, and then 2 TB. You know, there will be this 2 TB, so I can do a lot of so I will let me rename it. It's Bright SSD. The reason I bought this device is, as you may know in my channel, I have the MacBook that I bought it, and the storage is pretty low because I take a lot of videos, and also I edit my videos on my computer, so it takes up a lot of space, and then I'm running out of space, and I don't want to store it in the Google as well or cloud as well. So I bought this one. I think it will be a good investment for me. I can store a lot of files in here. Let me know what do you think about this on the comment section, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.